In this video, I'm going to show you how to view transaction changes in Monarch Money. Let's get started. Monarch Money lets you track updates made to your transactions, including edits, recategorization, and hidden items, so you can stay on top of any changes in your financial data. To check changes on a specific transaction, go to the Transactions tab and click on the transaction you want to review. This will open the Details page, where you can see updated information and any adjustments that were made. If you think a transaction is missing, it may be hidden. To view hidden items, go to the Transactions page, open Filters, and select Hidden Only. This will show all transactions that have been hidden from your main list. You can also download your full transaction history as a CSV file. This includes detailed records of all transactions, including any manual edits or updates, so you can review everything in one place. Using these tools helps you keep full visibility over your financial data and any changes made over time. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.